LinkedIn has grown to over 630 million users, and it doesn't seem to be slowing down anytime soon. So whether you're a job seeker, a new business owner, or a seasoned business executive, chances are it's a great place for you to be. So here are 5 quick fixes that you can do today to take your profile up a notch. This one is so easy, but cannot be ignored. Getting the right URL for your profile will help ensure that the right version of you pops up when people search for you, and it also looks a lot better on a business card or a website or just said verbally. When you're meeting potential employers or potential investors or clients, it's so much easier to just rattle off your first and last name on LinkedIn versus having to give all of these strange characters and numbers. Same concept here. Your headline is one of the few things that shows up alongside your name in search, so make sure that it's descriptive and that it's a bit more personalized than LinkedIn's standard job title at employer. It's a little bit boring and it doesn't really tell the full scope of exactly what it is that you do in your job. So maybe instead of marketer, I would say I am passionate about marrying data with creative marketing solutions. Maybe if you're a recruiter, you love helping people find meaningful work. I could go on, but you want to make sure that it really speaks to what you love about your job, what you do, and it's not just the standard headline. Now, whatever you do, don't let this valuable real estate go to waste. This is one of the few places on LinkedIn where you're free to really say whatever it is that you want. So go ahead and brag about that project that you launched at your business last month, or tell a little bit of a story of successful campaigns that you've ran. Or maybe you want to take this time to talk about some causes that are important to you. There's actually even a volunteer section, so those will help people get to know you on a bit more of a personal level. LinkedIn is a business networking site, but that does not mean that your profile needs to be boring. The truth is, employers want to hire people who they actually are going to enjoy being around, and same goes for clients as well. So make sure that you show off a little bit of your personality. There's plenty of places to sprinkle in a little flair throughout your profile. It starts up there with the summary and the headline, but like I said, you can add volunteer positions that you've held, causes that you care about, and you can also upload photos and videos in various places throughout your profile. Maybe you want to take it a little bit more personal and talk about some of your favorite things to do outside of work, whether it's visiting new coffee shops like I do or golfing. Whatever it is, of course, make sure that it's workplace appropriate and showcases the best version of yourself that you can possibly show. Photos are a great way to represent yourself without even saying a word. Now, your LinkedIn profile photo does not have to be a professional headshot from a photographer, but it should be decent quality and of course be appropriate and be well lit, and if possible be in a nice setting. You don't want to be in a messy living room or in a crowded street somewhere. You want to keep that focus on you, and whatever you do, just make sure to brush your hair, put on a nice shirt, and of course, a smile. The thing about LinkedIn profile photos is LinkedIn results typically show up pretty high in overall search results. So if somebody Googles you, whether it's a potential employer, a potential client, a potential investor, employee, whoever it is, they are likely going to run across this profile photo and your profile in general in search when they're looking for you, even if they're not on the platform themselves. And speaking of search, if you're working on your LinkedIn profile right now, chances are your entire online presence could use a little dusting off as well. Well, you're in luck because we can definitely help you out with that. Marple automatically Googles your name or any other search term that you prefer. Maybe it's your business name, for example. And what we'll do is we'll send you a notification whenever new results come up about that search term. You can then mark results positive or negative, and even report results to Google if they're malicious or inappropriate. So get started, invite your friends, and sign up for free today at marple.app.